Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. First piece is nice vibrant greeny blues. Just the one face, doesn't have any colour in it by looks. Second piece has a few pockets of colour. Pinky blue greens up here. This is the better stone. And there's another one here, whether that goes underneath there might, in which case you end up with a bigger stone. And then you've got these pockets of colour through here, which means cut through here probably and grind down onto that and come up on that piece perhaps. Might end up with a couple of extra stones there, hope you do. It's quite nice colour.